How to use Bank of America digital card. Today we are diving into how can you make the most out of your Bank of America digital card. Whether you are shopping in store, online or even pulling cash from an ATM, using a digital card is super convenient. So let's get started. First off, you need to add your Bank of America card to your digital wallet. This could be Apple Wallet, Google Pay or Samsung Pay depending on your device. To add your card, open your digital wallet app and follow the instructions to either enter your card details manually or scan your card with phone's camera. Once your card is added, you will likely need to activate it. You can usually do this within the app where you might have to verify the card through a quick confirmation sent via text or email. Now that your card is all set up, you are ready to start using it. Let me show you how easy it is. At a store, simply unlock your device and hold it near the payment terminal. Then confirm your purchase with a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. For online shopping or in-app purchases, choose your digital wallet as the payment method at checkout and authenticate to proceed. And if you need cash, some digital cards can be used at ATMs. Just look for ATMs that support contactless withdrawals and follow the prompts. Don't forget to keep an eye on your transaction and manage your card via the Bank of America app, where you can check your balances and review your spending. Lastly, rest assured that digital cards are secure. They use a device-specific number and unique transaction code so your actual card details are never exposed. That's it for today's guide on using your Bank of America digital card. Secure, simple, and ready for just about anything. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest videos.